1. To move your body, or part of your body, so that it is not straight. A. Bend. B. Carry. C. Lift. D. Hold. Good. The correct answer is option bend. Two. To hold something or someone with your hands, arms, or on your back, and transport it, him, or her, from one place to another. A. Sit. B. Hold. C. Lift. D. Carry. Good job. The best answer is option D. Carry. Three. To move something from a lower to a higher position. A. Sit. B. Hold. C. Lift. D. Punch. Marvelous. The best answer is option C. Lift. Four. To take and keep something in your hand or arms. A. Sit. B. Hold. C. Leap. D. Punch. Great. The correct answer is option B. Hold. Five. To be in a position in which the lower part of the body is resting on a seat or other type of support, with the upper part of the body vertical. A. Sit. B. Jump. C. Leap. D. Punch. You are right. The best answer is option A. Sit. 6. A forceful hit with a fist. A. Dive. B. Jump. C. Leap. D. Punch. Well done. The answer is option punch. Seven. Jump high in the air, or jump a long distance. A. Dive. B. Pull. C. Leap. D. Push. Great. The answer is option C. Leap. Eight. To push yourself suddenly off the ground and into the air using your legs. A. Dive. B. Jump. C. Run. D. Push. Good. The answer is option B. Jump. Nine. To jump into water, especially with your head and arms going in first, or to move down under the water. A. Dive. B. Walk. C. Run. D. Push. The correct answer is option A. Dive. Ten. To use physical pressure or force, especially with your hands, in order to move something into a different position. A. Run. B. Walk. C. Pull. D. Push. Great. The best answer is option D. Push.